friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, and please press the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new recipe. Today's recipe is bread custard pudding. This recipe is super easy, quick and delicious. When your kids ask for a sweet, you can make it and give it them within 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's proceed towards the ingredients. This is 1 liter of milk. This is tutti frutti for garnishing. These are sliced almonds for garnishing. This is sliced cashew nuts, cardamom powder, elaichi powder. This is 1 cup of milk. These are 5 bread slices which I have cut into square pieces. This is custard powder. This is 2 tablespoons of ghee, and this is 1 cup of sugar. Now let's proceed towards the cooking. As you can see here, I have taken 2 tablespoons of warm milk and I have put strands of saffron in it. So this gives a nice color to my custard. Now I have put the saucepan on the gas. Now we will pour the 1 liter of milk in it. Keep on stirring the milk and let it boil for 2-3 minutes. Meanwhile, we can prepare our custard. This custard powder is 4 tablespoons. Now we will add this in the milk. And prepare a smooth mixture out of it. Meanwhile, the milk is boiling. Let us roast the bread slices. Let us grease the pan with some ghee. Here I have taken cow ghee. You can take butter also. Just put in your slices and roast them till they turn crispy golden brown. Here I am little conscious about the amount of butter or ghee I am using. You can use some more amount of ghee if you like. Now let us add the custard mixture to the milk and keep on stirring it. Here you have to take care, after you put in the custard, it tends to stick to the bottom of your vessel. So keep on stirring it for at least 2 to 3 minutes so the milk thickens in its consistency. Now let us add the cardamom powder to it, and now we can add the sliced cashew nuts and little sliced almonds, and some of them I will keep it for garnishing. Now mix them well. Now we can add the saffron strands milk, and as you can see the consistency of my milk, it is thick enough. Now as you can see, this is the right consistency which I want. If you want, you can if you like it more thick, you can add more custard powder or let it boil for some more time. But for me, this is the best consistency because I don't want it so much thicker, because we are going to serve the dish and then refrigerate it. So it will naturally be thicker after we take out from the refrigerator. Custard is ready. Now we will let it cool for some time and then pour it in the serving bowl. Start arranging the bread slices in the serving bowl. You can arrange them as you like. Now we will pour the custard on this. Let the bread slices soak in them. Now let us add some more slices. This is a quick recipe with less sugar and less ghee, so you definitely give it a try. One thing friends, after the recipe is ready, please do keep it in the refrigerator because it tastes best when it is served chilled. So as you can see, it is looking really delicious. Now we will garnish it with some sliced almond. And some tutti frutti, which the kids love. So this is my daughter's wish that I add tutti frutti to it. So I am adding it. And as you can see, the recipe is ready. If you do like my work, do like, share and comment in the comment section below. And do subscribe to my channel. See you next time with a new recipe. Till then, take care friends. Bye.